Busy at the night time. We have W, we have Potato Head, Handy Community. Wow, busy down there. It's good.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Petitenget Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Petitenget Street. And our journey today start from the south part on Petitenget until to the north part, the end on Petitenget Street. Okay, let me show you around here. I hope we'll be busy. Will be a lot of tourists in Petitenget Street today. Yeah, wow. You see, right side and left side, a lot of tourists down there. Looks so busy. That's good. Wow, busy, isn't it? Yeah, finally we see a lot of tourists in this area. After a few long time, after few months ago, was very quiet. Now step by step, it's getting look busier in this area. That's good. Right side and left side, same. Tourists down there. Wow, busy, busy, busy. That's good. Step by step, Petitenget Street getting more busier. Yeah, you see, left side and right side. Wow, that's good. It is busier. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Petitenget Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Yeah, you see right side? Wow. Also left side. So many tourists down there. That's good. Yeah, it is really getting busier in this area. And actually, I'm gonna say like to stay this area. Now it's recommended because on Kayu Aya, I was sometimes traffic jam, but in this area, not so much traffic. And also there is a few nightclub, and also we have restaurant and shopping. A lot of art shop in this area also. This is Shi Shi bar. Yeah, nightclub, busy at the night time. We have W, we have Potato Head on Petitenget Street. Left side, literally down there. It's good. Quite busy, isn't it? You see right side and left side, same. Wow. Busier, busier. That's good. Canvas Village Resort website. Yeah, step by step in this area on Petitenget Street, it's getting busier. That's good. At the front, if I straight down, that's the way to go to Braban area, where is villa area in Seminyak Bali. But now I will turn left because I will make video on Petitenget Street. Left side. Candy community. Wow, busy down there. It's good. Lot of trees down there having ice cream, I think. Because candy community also very famous. Right side, eatery down there. That's good. If I turn left, there's the way to go to Cendrawasih Street. But now I will keep continue driving on Petitenget Street until the end. This is Shooters. This restaurant also very famous. Wow, busy down there. See that? A lot of trees down there. They're just good. Wow, now it's traffic jam in this area. Because at the front there is the junction. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, because this is the project here. So that's why it's traffic jam. See, right side? Wow, busy down there. It's good. Wow, right side, a lot of trees down there. All the way traffic jam in this area. Because as I told you, at the front there's the junction. The way to go to Canggu, Bali. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Petitenget Street. So what do you think? Getting busier, isn't it? That's good. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the address station at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Petitenget Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new lesson in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Traffic again.